So we got a huge leak with the Oppo Find N3 Flip, which of course is going to be coming out at the end of this month. Now, as it says in this article, a few days ago, a leak of the Oppo N3 Flip provided us with additional information about the upcoming foldable phone camera. Now, a new leak has confirmed some of its specs. According to the Android headline, the Oppo Find N3 Flip appeared on Geekbench under the model name Oppo PHT 110. The upcoming foldable phone with a clamshell design from the Chinese company Oppo will be powered by the MediaTek Dynasty 9200 chip introduced last year. The MediaTek Dynasty 9200 chip features a octa-core processor comprising 4 Cortex A510 cores, I guess 510 cores, clocked at 1.8 gigahertz. 3 Cortex A715 cores running at 2.85 gigahertz, and 1 Cortex X3 core set at 3.05 gigahertz. This setup is said to offer performance boost of around 10-15% compared to its predecessor. That's actually really good then. Because at first we thought that this was going to be just pretty much a copy and paste of the Oppo Find N2 Flip and just be, an extra camera lens. But 10-15% increase is actually a huge W for this phone as an actual upgrade. Now keep in mind, again, this is coming out, 6 months after the last version came out. Which we don't see that ever. We never see a phone, 6 months later get a new version of their phone. Usually it's around a year later. So this is something Oppo is doing that not really something we usually see. Moreover, it seems that the Oppo Find N3 Flip will offer options of 12 gigabytes of RAM, and it's highly likely the other options will also be available, including 8 and 16 gigabytes of RAM. This is based on the fact that the Find N2 Flip provides these options. These leaks reveal the Find N3 Flip will come with Android 13 pre-installed. Most of the Oppo Find N3 specifications are expected to remain quite similar to the previous generation, except for charging speeds that are rumored up to 67 watts. And we do know that the Oppo Find N3 is going to have 100 watts wireless charging, wired charging, and it's also going to have wireless charging. So, really cool. Honestly, a huge upgrade here. Now, of course, the biggest problem I will say with the Oppo phone, whether it is the Find N2 or the Find N3, is they're not going to be following the process of giving us a beautiful outside display. They are more or less going toward the camera route of giving us a better camera setup, where it's going to be 3 cameras instead of 2, and the outside display is going to pretty much say, in all intents and purposes, exactly the same. And we already know that the Oppo Find N3 is going to be the exact same look as the Find N2 without one additional camera. So I will say overall this is exciting, but I'll be interested to see how many people go after this phone when it hits the global market. I'll definitely say that. Because I feel like a lot of people are really happy with the fact that flippable phones now have a very usable outside display. But again, pretty much all flippable phones you can buy right now come with 8 gigabytes of RAM, while this phone offers up to 16 gigabytes of RAM. Obviously, base storage option is 8, but it goes 8, 12, 16. So you can get pretty much more RAM on this thing than you can get on the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So, interestingly enough, this is going to be interesting to see how this does in the market. But 6 months after the previous version came out in February, now we got a brand new one out already. See you guys next one. Peace out.